Welcome to the Solana Token Multi-Sender tool. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to send your Solana tokens to multiple wallets. Let's get started. First, connect your Solana wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. This step is crucial as it allows the platform to access your wallet and verify your token holdings. Next, select the token you want to airdrop. Click on the token address input field and choose your token from the drop-down list. Make sure you select the correct token, as this will determine which token supply will be distributed. Now, specify the quantity each wallet will receive. Enter the number of tokens in the quantity per wallet input field. This is the amount of tokens that will be sent to each wallet. Next, enter the list of wallet addresses that will receive the airdrop. You can either type the addresses manually or upload a CSV file containing the list of addresses. Make sure to enter the correct wallet addresses to avoid any errors. It is important to enter one wallet per line. If you prefer to upload a CSV file containing the list of wallet addresses, you can download a sample CSV file from our website to use as a template. Make sure the CSV file is formatted correctly, with each wallet address on a new line. Click the Upload CSV button. This will open a file dialog where you can select the CSV file to upload. Verify all the information to ensure everything is accurate. Check the token name, quantity per wallet, and the list of wallet addresses. Make sure there are no duplicate or invalid wallet addresses. After entering the list of wallet addresses, click the Delete Invalid Wallets button. This will remove any invalid or duplicate wallet addresses from your list. Finally, click on the Start Airdrop button to initiate the airdrop process. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Carefully review the details, including the total fees and the amount of SOL required. Once you confirm the transaction, the process will begin, and a processing message will appear on the screen. Each transaction will airdrop tokens to 8 wallets at a time. You will need to confirm each transaction in your wallet until the airdrop is complete. Please pay close attention and confirm the prompts as they appear. This might take a few moments. The platform is now distributing the tokens to the specified wallets on the Solana blockchain. Congratulations! The tokens have been successfully airdropped to the specified wallets. You can now view the transaction details on Solscan. Thank you for using the Solana Token Multi-Sender tool. For more detailed instructions, check out our blog post and documentation.